Log in to your Monday.com account, then navigate to the top panel and select Automate option to open the automation settings page. Now, select Create from Scratch option to start setting up a new automation. Select the trigger by clicking When this happen, and from the list of available triggers, choose Status Changes to something. Select the action by clicking the Then Do This field, then scroll down and choose Send WhatsApp Reply with Attachment option. Hold on until the page is completely loaded, then move to the next step. Now, select the status column in the status field, and then choose the status value you prefer in the Something field. Select the WhatsApp Reply Message field, and enter your text for a personalized message. Next, click Done, then choose the WhatsApp number field and select your enabled Twilio sender number. Now choose the recipient number field and select the phone column. Select the file column in the file field, then paste your file URL there to include it in the automated message. After setting up the trigger and the action, click on Create Automation and wait for the loading to complete. Now you'll see that the automation has been created and appears on your Automations page. Close this automation settings page. Trigger the action by changing the status column to your selected trigger value. Once you do that, you'll see a pop-up at the bottom right corner indicating that the automation is running and has been triggered. The phone number will receive an automated message when the action is triggered by changing the status value. You can check the updates of the message in the Update field by clicking the message icon. Additionally, you can check the run history by opening the automation you've just created.